Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share photos securely with groups in Amazon Photos. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to share your photos with specific groups of people securely using Amazon Photos on your device, here's how you can do it. To begin, open the Amazon Photos app on your Android device and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Photos tab and select the images you wish to share. After selecting the desired photos, tap the share icon, typically located at the bottom of the screen. It will take some time to prepare and then give you the options. From the sharing options, choose Create Group to create a new sharing group. Add members by entering their email address. This will send the invite to your group to that person, and the group will be created. After that, you can add more images to your group by going on the image, selecting the share, and then tapping on the Add to Group. It's that simple. This method ensures that only invited members can view the shared content, providing a secure way to share your photos. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.